We have a 2008 Honda Pilot. We're doing the timing belt, tensioner, water pump, all that fun stuff. We just took the crankcase, the crank pulley off. See a little bit of oil leak.
I don't know how well that's
here. Can you
up on video?
Point it to what you were seeing.
Yeah, right. You see that? Right on the seal there. Let me see if I can. I've got my hand with it. Dang. Yeah, see it there? Where that oil is coming out the bottom of it.
And as far as that crank pulley goes, the bolt, if you don't have the special tool, one thing that doesn't work is these guys. Other thing that doesn't work is, where's that other one, Phil? There it is. That.
Yeah.
That doesn't work. You know what does work? Gas air compressor. And this bad boy. Took it right off. Not even a half a second. Yeah. Boom, 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 and it's loose.
Yeah, that oil right up there.
Yeah, there's the oil.
Yeah, told you.
So, if you don't have a 1-inch impact gun, you suck. You're not going to get it. Don't even try. Just call us. We'll do it. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, so
look at that there. Oh, yeah, that's bad.
Yeah.
That's for another day. I'm just kidding. If you don't have it, well, sucks to be you. Alright, here we go. We got the other cover off. Show everybody how loose the timing belt is. So, yeah, that's definitely the tensioner. Still got a little ways to go.
Alright.
Well, I'll move the belt a little so you can see how much. Can you see that from down there?
Where are you? Front cam? Back cam?
Either one.
Yeah, there's a lot of play in that timing
is?
belt. Yep. That's a lot of play.
We'll have to double check the timing before we take this loose and make sure it's still in time.
You can see the oil running out of that hydraulic tensioner there. Just running out the front seal of it.
Okay, so here we have it. In order to get the belt on, what we did is we got it on the crank first, and then we got it around this cam, and we got it around the water pump, around this cam. This pulley here, we loosen this bolt, because when you take this out a bit, this pulley will move back and forth a whole lot. Got the belt on the right side, and then push the pulley up and put the bolt in. That helped a whole lot. Yeah, give her a go. Alright, shut it off. How's that sound? Sounds like a brand new car.